Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we are going to just focus on moving the spine and kind of warming up. This can be done in addition to the centering video that I did before, and this will help you to warm up to get ready for your practice. So grab your mat and we'll get started. So we'll come to sit in easy pose, and that's just a simple cross-leg position. Kind of see if you can root your hips down into the mat, to the floor, to the ground, wherever you are. And then bring the hands out to your side. So on the inhale, we'll bring the arms out and up. Exhale, we'll bring it out and down. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, out and down. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, out and down. And then from here, we're going to come into some side bends. So inhale as you bring the arms out and up. On the exhale, you're going to bring your left hand down, and then your right hand is going to reach over. So we're opening up the right side of our body. Just creating a little length, a little space. And from here, we're going to inhale, open the shoulder, reach the arm back a little bit. Exhale, we're going to close, coming forward, bringing the arm forward a little bit. 2 more times. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Last time, inhale, open. Exhale, close. Then we'll come back to the regular side bend. Inhale both arms up. Exhale, your right arm comes down. Left arm reaches over. And then we'll do the same open and close movement here. So on the inhale, open the chest. Exhale as you close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Last time, inhale, open. And exhale as you close. Then inhale as you bring both arms back up to center. This time we're going to come into a twist. So we're going to twist to your left first. So your right hand comes to the left knee. And then left arm comes behind you. And then find your gaze over that left shoulder. Make sure the spine is tall, so you're not hunching over. And breathe. Take about 2 deep breaths here. And from here, we're just going to do a few arm taps. So you're going to stay in this twisted position, but you're going to inhale and bring that back arm up and then forward. And inhale up and back down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Inhale, back arm comes up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. And exhale down. And we'll bring both arms back up to center, releasing the twist. And then we'll twist to the right. So left hand comes to the right knee. Right arm behind you. Keep the spine tall. Gaze over the back shoulder. 2 breaths here. And then we'll do the same arm tap. So staying in the twisted position, reach the back arm up. And then exhale, bring it forward. Inhale up. Exhale back down. 2 more times. Inhale the arm up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time, inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. And we'll bring the arms back up to center. Exhale them down to the sides. From here, we're going to come over to hands and knees. Once you get there, you want to make sure that your wrists are stacked directly under your shoulders and your knees are stacked directly over your hips or under your hips. The legs will come straight out from the knees, so you should not be able to see your toes between your thighs. So we're just going to do 3 rounds of cat and cow here. So on the inhale, you're going to drop the belly, pull the chest forward, gazes forward, coming into cow pose. And then on the exhale, you're going to press the floor away, chin comes to your chest and the upper back curls up towards the ceiling, coming into cat pose. 2 more times. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, press the floor away. Last time, inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, press the floor away. And coming back to neutral position. This is called table position. So we're coming back to table. From here, we're just going to do another shoulder opener. So on the inhale, you're going to bring the right arm out and up. On the exhale, you're going to bring it out, down, and then bring it through. And allow the head to rest on the mat. The left hand can stay where it is, or you can reach it out in front of you and gaze underneath your left shoulder. And bringing the left hand back into position. Bringing the right arm out all the way up. And then back down. Coming back into table. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So inhale, bringing the left arm out and up. And then exhale as you bring it down and through. Allowing the head to rest on the mat. Right arm can stay where it is, or you can extend the hand out in front of you and gaze under the right shoulder. Bringing the right hand back in place, lifting the left arm out, up, and then coming back down. So we're going to end in hero's pose or Vajrasana. So for this, you may need a block. The block will go between your feet and that'll be a little cushion for you to sit on. If not, you can stay right here, sitting the hips on the heels. I'm just going to bring the hands to the heart and end the practice with 3 deep breaths. So you can allow the eyes to close. And then we're going to inhale, open the mouth and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, open the mouth, exhale. Inhale, open the mouth, exhale. Allow the eyes to open. And the hands can rest on the thighs. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell so that you get all of my notifications. And thank you for joining me for this 30 Days of Yoga series. Remember that each of these videos are designed for you to piece together and make your own sequence. So I hope you will continue to follow along, and I will see you guys in my next video.